So Dream Trees are a wonderful process art-driven class. They're not necessarily about achieving the results that I sit down step by step, although I understand the appeal for that, and I definitely do learn visually when I watch other artists work. So that's what I want you to take away skill set wise. But this is an opportunity for you to play, to try out watercolors, to see what they do when you mix things up. Never do I want you to sit at a stage and go, I can't do that, it's not going to work out. Like I recommended at the introduction, do more than one. You can still do the same palette, the same colors, the same scheme, but you'll see differences and you'll take note of them and you will remember them when you go to do it another one. And that's the joy here too, in splitting them up into card sets. Give them away, make more, get better at it, keep trying. Because when you sit down to do it, you can start getting over your fear of making it look a certain way. You'll know how to do it and you can enjoy the emotional self-care aspect that art creates for you. Being in the flow state, in the Om zone of just working with colors and going with your gut and choosing based on your heart instead of just yellow and blue equal the right kind of green. Like, to me, that's not what this class is for. It definitely can creep in there for sure. But if you find yourself doing that, get out, spatter, do something different, do something you don't want to do and see what it does. Some of my best pieces, and by best I mean like you saw it on Instagram and you liked it and I was like, oh, right. But in all honesty, it helped me change how I look at the art that I create is by your feedback. So don't be afraid to play. Don't be afraid to share it. Definitely show me what you did, and I want to see it and I want to love it and celebrate it. And if that's the only person you are sharing it with because you're too shy to share it publicly, that's okay. Enjoy the community of the people that want you to bring it to them. That's the best part. When you're in that flow state, you can definitely dive into colors and creating, you know, a resonance with your favorite shades. And if you're into sort of the meanings of colors and the influences, you know, red is for home and for nurturing. So when you use that in your dream tree, you can sort of sit on those thoughts while you're using that color. A really popular color, I can see it here in my necklace, is blue, right? And I love these shades and I love reflecting on the energy that is created within me in my flow state when I'm using that color on my picture as well. So dream trees, once you get familiar with the process, really dive in and see emotionally what you connect to in that piece. And I think that that'll take you to a whole nother level with them as well. Thank you again for joining me in making some color. When I'm filming this class, it is February in Oakbank, Manitoba, and our regular temperatures have gone from -40 in the wind chill up to +4 today. So, and the sun is still behind a lot of clouds. So I'm grateful to have been able to work on a colorful workshop at this time of year. It really helped me, so I really hope it helps brighten your day as well. Take care and definitely use the hashtag on social media, hashtag MYE Dream Trees. Bye.